Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's make a bloom. We'll torch this off. We're gonna use some stones. These are just some silver stones off Amazon. Okay, I think that's good. Now, I'm gonna use Eder Art. And this 21.5 grams of resin. Two drops. Get that mixed up and put it in your piping bag. Okay. I'm going to use aquamarine and azure blue like by Let's Resin. The aquamarine is one of my favorite colors ever. If it mixes together a little, that's fine. Okay. This is not my first choice in scissors, but it's all I could find. I have no idea where all my scissors are. You'd think it would be hard for me to lose them giant monster scissors, but I do. I misplace them somehow. Okay. Just get the air out if you want. Then you don't have to worry about it, you know? My stomach won't be quiet. I'm sorry if you hear it. I don't know why it's so loud. And we'll do a little one right there. That's all I'm doing, but I definitely need to do something with those because they kind of blobbed in there. Curving that around. Same with the little ones. Okay, I think I got them. Might put a dot in the big one. 2 dots. And that's all I'm gonna do. So, I'm gonna put the lid on, let that cure, and I'll see you guys in a while. If you see anything floating in your resin, get it out because that could, anytime you have something floating in there or fly in there, it could mess stuff up. Okay, I'm gonna cover this up, guys, and I'll see you in a little while. Bye. Okay, guys, let's do a second layer on this. 2 drops of Eder Art. 1, 2. Mix that up, put it in the piping bag. Okay, guys, I put some resin in here and I put some drops of aquamarine. And I see bubbles that I missed when I first. We're just gonna go around the outside. Now we'll put some clear in there. Again. I think I'll keep the aquamarine in the same spot. And then some of the azure blue. Goodness. Do I want to do any more? Let's do a circle. Yeah. Oh, I want to put something right in it. I think that's all I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm missing anything here, you know? But I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Hopefully that front has enough hiding everything that these little ones just kind of fill in some empty spaces if there are any. Okay guys, we're gonna torch this and absolutely leave it alone. See you in a little while. Bye. Some of the sky blue mica powder, because the blue I added just went wherever the heck it wanted. But now it's that color. So this color might be off now. But I'm gonna add this around it too. Gonna add more. Drop it in there. Mix that up. Okay, good enough. I gotta be careful because it's already full around the outside. So I just don't wanna go too much. All right, guys. I'll let this cure and then we'll come back and see if I ruined it. All right, see you later. Bye. Let's check this out. You ready? The back color didn't match as well as I'd hoped. I like it though, it's very pretty. Very pretty bloom. The 2 layers is really neat. Sorry about the reflection. But yeah, I think it turned out really good. All right, guys. I hope you have an amazing day. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.